All right, guys, thanks for joining. Looks like we got a possible chase. Looks like maybe a Lexington Police Department vehicle overturned. Not sure of the severity of the injuries, but this is on Central Avenue. It's in Sink-In Road area in Lexington. You kind of see fire rescues here. Got one vehicle overturned. Thanks for watching, guys.
They're 1018 to Thomasville. Medic 20, what's your current location?
As always, guys, appreciate you watching. Like and subscribe to the channel. Share it out. Hit the notification button when we post new content. You'll be notified. Again, this is in Lexington, North Carolina.
Medic 20. Do you need Medic 2 to meet with you for hands? I'll be good. 10-4. You're on 3 times.
I'm 100% sure police car was overturned. I don't know. I don't know if y'all noticed at the end of the road down here, it looked like somebody crashed into a dumpster. I think they may have been chasing somebody. It possibly could be that vehicle, but I don't know. But yeah. Again, guys, as you can see, there's an overturned vehicle. It looks like a Lexington Police Department car. Not 100% sure, but possibly could have been in pursuit of somebody.
Davidson Rescue 2686 Landminer, no problem, social response. Medicom Davidson Rescue 2686 Landminer 2686 Landminer, North Street, Edwin Drive, the South West Lane, no problem, 19 Delta 1023. Sure, 3 copy.
Bunch of police activity here, guys. You can see, guys, multiple police vehicles. All right, guys, we're going to kind of wrap this one up for now. As always, like I say, if you don't mind subscribing, hit that subscribe button. That costs nothing. It's free to subscribe. Helps the channel grow. Till next time, guys, we're out. All right, guys, we're back at another incident possibly to be related to the overturned vehicle crash with the Lexington Police Department. See this truck crashed into the dumpster. This is at Anna Lewis Drive and Sinking Road, right near the Lexington Memorial Hospital. Let's see. What's going on, guys? Got fire and Harbor Patrol and Lexington Police on hand. Not sure if it's related to the chase, but kind of see, guys. Davis County EMS is on site as well. Again, guys, like and subscribe and share the channel.
Is it a 440
Not sure if any entries on this one either, guys. Alright guys, as always, appreciate you guys joining and watching. For now, we're gonna head out and see what else we can find. Till next time, guys, we're out.